Question number 51. Let's read the question. The standard reduction potentials for the three redox couples x plus 2x, y plus 2y, z plus 2z are minus 3.1, plus 0.6 and minus 0.7 volt respectively. The correct order of oxidizing power of these ions is. Student, for this question we have to understand that higher is the standard reduction potential value of species, more will be its oxidizing power. That means among the given ions, the ion which has the highest oxidizing power is Y plus, followed by Z plus, further followed by X plus. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 52. Let's read it. The gas, which has the density of 5.33 gram per liter at 8.21 atm pressure and 27 degrees Celsius is. Students, for this question, first of all, we have to calculate the molar mass of the gas, which has such density at particular temperature pressure condition. After that, we'll be able to identify the gas. We know that density is equals to Pm by RT. Therefore, mass is equals to dRT by P. Let's put the values. M is equals to density, which is equals to 5.33, then R, which is equals to 0.0821. Temperature in Kelvin will be 300. We are given with 27 degrees Celsius, and then with the pressure we are given with 8.21. Student, I have calculated this entire digit. You please avoid using calculators. Try to solve these questions and these equations with your hands. So the answer for this is 15.99, which is approximately equals to 16 gram per mole. So among the given gases, the gas which has molar mass 16 is methane. So the correct answer is option number 4, CH4. Moving to the next question, which is 53. The volume occupied by 2 gram of a gas at STP if its vapor density is 56 is. Students, for this question, first of all, we need to calculate the molecular mass since we are given with vapor density. We know that molecular mass is equals to 2 into vapor density. So 2 into 56. So the molecular mass will be 2 into 56. Now we can calculate number of moles. Number of moles is equals to given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass is 2 grams. So 2 upon 2 into 56. Now student, we can calculate the volume of gas, since volume of gas at STP is equals to number of moles into 22.4 liter, which is equals to 2 upon 2 into 56 multiplied by 22.4 liter, which is ultimately equals to 0.4 liter. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 54. The temperature at which the most probable speed of O2 gas becomes equal to that of SO2 at STP is. Student, we know that most probable speed is equals to under root of 2RT upon M. And we are given that the most probable speed of O2 is same as that of SO2. So most probable speed of O2 is equals to most probable speed of SO2. That means under root of 2RT upon M for O2 is equals to under root of 2RT upon M for SO2. So student, let's put the values here. We have to calculate the temperature for O2. So T1 upon the molar mass of O2 is 32 is equals to under root of temperature, here it is STP, that means 273, and the molar mass of SO2 is 64. So the temperature T1 is equals to 136.5 Kelvin. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Going to next question, students, which is question number 55. Let's read it. A gas X diffuses through a pinhole at a rate 1 upon 4 of the rate of diffusion of hydrogen gas under similar conditions. The gas is. Student, we know that rate is inversely proportional to under root of 1 upon molar mass. Here we are given with two gases, one is X and one is H2. So rate of H2 upon rate of X is equals to under root of molar mass of X upon molar mass of H2. Here we have to calculate molar mass of X. So before that, let's put the values. Here we are given that the rate of diffusion of X is 1/4 of that of hydrogen. So if the rate of diffusion of H2 is 1, it will be 1 upon 4 under root of molar mass of X upon 2. So student, it is very clear that molar mass of X will be 32 gram per mole. So it is very clear the only gas here which has a molar mass 32 is O2. So the correct answer is option number 1. Here I am writing the gas is O2. Moving to the next question, students.